Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about why your Samsung TV keeps restarting and how to fix it. Watch the video until the end to learn how to do this and more. The following are some of the reasons why your Samsung TV keeps restarting. Number 1. Power supply problems. Number 2. Outdated firmware. Or number 3. Software glitch. Here's how to fix these issues. Check the power supply. If there's an inconsistent voltage supply, your TV may frequently restart itself. To fix this, ensure the power cable is firmly connected to the power outlet. You can opt for another power source to check if the issue is with the power source. If there's a power surge, disconnect your TV from the power source and connect it back after a few seconds. If this doesn't work, update the firmware. If your TV's firmware is outdated, it can cause instability. To fix this, go to the Settings section. Then choose the Support option and tap the Software Update option. Then, if there is an update, tap the Update Now option. If this doesn't work, power cycle your TV. A software glitch may be causing your Samsung TV to occasionally restart. Disconnect your Samsung TV from the power source, then connect it back after a few seconds. Switch on your Samsung TV and verify if the issue has been resolved. And there you have it. Follow these steps to fix your Samsung TV that keeps restarting. Thanks for watching. Till next time.